Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and by the end of this video, I'm sure you'll know how to do a back handspring. So let's flip into it. Safety is really important, so while I'm showing you this tutorial at home, if this is your first time trying this new trick, I recommend you get down to a local gym club and let them help you do this trick, or get some gym mats to practice on. Let's start off with a few stretches. For the first stretch, we are having our feet parallel and we will be reaching over to one ankle. Make sure your feet aren't facing in or out, or that may hurt a bit more. So put your feet parallel straight to the front. And we're going to hold this for 5 more seconds. And now to the middle and reach as far back as you can. Reach all the way to the back. And now to your other foot. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to move into a stretch called the butterfly. For the butterfly, make sure you're not going like this, because that's bad for your body and hips. So we're going to just push our legs down all the way to the ground. If you can't, just push them as far as you can go. We'll hold this for 10 seconds. Okay, now we're going to reach to the front and get your head down to your toes. Okay, and now we're going to do some bridges from the ground, push up, and hold this for 5 seconds. And now, if you can, try and do a bridge, but with straight knees and straight legs. Now we've finished our stretching, we're going to do 5 back walkovers. Ready? Go! Okay, once you've done that, now we're going to do a back walkover, but we're going to pop off with our hands at the end. Okay, ready, go. Just like that. And now we're going to try and do a bridge back walkover, but with our legs together. Alright, now try that one more time, and then we'll do the big back handspring. Alright, so now we're going to do the back handspring, and one tip is try and keep your toes pointed in the air, but if you can't, don't worry about it. Definitely don't do this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you couldn't do that or you're too scared to go back, keep practicing the stretches and everything for another week, and I'm sure you'll be able to do a back handspring. Peace out. Bye. Sweater. Sweater. Sweaty. Sweaty. Wait, were you still filming? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, peace out. Bye.